You have a surgery by us, an eye surgery.
I did.
And can you please explain a little bit your experience?
Well, I was picked up every day for appointments, brought to and from clinic. Couldn't fault them at all. They were perfect from start to finish.
Yes. Are you happy with the result?
Very, very happy. I can see perfect for the first time in 25 years.
Really?
Yeah.
You wear glasses. Can you say to us what numbers of glasses you had?
+5 and +5.25.
And 4 days later?
0.0.
Okay, it means that you look better than me at the moment.
Thanks very much.
And all of our cooperation, our operation, how do you think, can you recommend it us?
Feel good, health Turkey. I recommend it to anybody.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And nice to meet you.
Thanks very much.